Private driveway. No trespassing. Okay. I think we're good. What's going on, guys? So you saw in the title, I bought a 2018 Honda Grom. I am so excited. I absolutely love this bike. I've had it for about a week and a half now. I know I've been slacking on videos. I'm gonna start getting into it and making them a lot more now that I have a bike. It's something that I would love to get into, like I've said in a previous video. But it's been about 2 months since I've made a video because I haven't made a video since I've been back in the United States. So I'm here, I'm safe, I'm doing good, I'm still enjoying it here. I've gotten used to it, I guess you could say. And but yeah, 2018 Honda Grom, that's what this video is all about. I absolutely love it. Here's a video of me showing you the bike really quick. So yeah, my Honda Grom, I absolutely love it. It's running great. It's a 2018. It has 1,900 miles on it. The looks that people give you when you're riding this are the best. Like, people look at you like you're ridiculous. Like, it's awesome. I got a biker wave, my first wave, I think. That's awesome. They do it under. Am I supposed to do it over or under? I'm not sure. Someone please let me know if the biker wave is above, do the full wave, or if you do like a little hand thing under the handlebars. He was on a tricycle too, so I don't know if that makes a difference, but yeah, someone let me know. That's all I got. That's all it's got right there. Okay, there's 60 right there. That's pretty good for a Grom. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This Grom sounds really good. That sounds good! I've never done that before on my Grom. It actually sounded really good. Pretty lake or reservoir or whatever you call this right here, right there, and I'm gonna try to get a cool picture of my Grom so I can post it, because I haven't shared this on any social media yet. So let's try to find a good spot. There would be awesome, but I'm not gonna go get in their yard. Oh look, some ducks. Are those ducks or geese? Oh, those are ducks, I think. Whoa, I almost crossed the line. Alrighty, let's go in here. Wow. Oh, that's a big hill. Oh, and there's a speed bump at the bottom. Oh, good. Oh. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna, yeah, let me pull over in this guy's driveway right here. Oh gosh, I almost tipped over it. What I'm gonna try to do is get in the middle of the reservoir, a couple pictures of my Grom next to the lake without getting in trouble or pissing anyone off, so it's on camera. Keep my pocket open. Alrighty. Let's go. Oh, this is the shot. This is the shot, guys, right here. Alrighty. Let's go. What the heck? I had this. You could have waited 2 seconds. Yeah. Okay, whatever. There we go. Alrighty. Oh no. Squirting out. Get all that. Get it. Come on, you can do it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Take care. Oopsies. Have a great day. Hold on. Peace.